in the previous video, I have explained till where Aram went to Murad when he was sitting under a peach tree talking to a robin bird. He was repairing the wing that was hurt, and Aram told him about John Brew and how he visited their house and he wanted his horse back. Aram asked Murad not to return the horse until he learns to ride it. Where we have left the chapter. Now we will read the chapter further and I will explain you. Okay, let's start reading. Okay, it will take you a year to learn to ride, my cousin Murad said. We could keep the horse a year, I said. My cousin Murad leaped to his feet. What? He roared. Are you inviting a member of the Glagolian family to steal? The horse must go back to its true owner. When? I said. In 6 months at least. At the latest, he said. So, what happened now? Now Murad told Aram that it will take him a whole year to learn how to ride a horse. So he said कि तुम्हें तो 1 साल लग जाएगा पूरा horse ride करने में सीखने के लिए. So Aram was a small boy. He was only 9 years old. So Aram said that they could keep the horse for a year then. So Murad stood up on his feet and shouted on him about encouraging him to be a thief in spite of being a member of the Glagronian family. So he said that they are the members of Glagronian family, which is known for their honesty, and you are encouraging me to be a thief. So this is what Murad said, and he declared that the horse should go to its true owner. ठीक है, he declared, उसने बोल दिया था कि अब ये जो horse है वो true owner के पास जाएगा in at least 6 months. Okay. Let's read further. He threw the bird into the air. The bird tried almost fell twice, but at last flew away high and straight. Early every morning for 2 weeks, my cousin Murad and I took the horse out of the barn of the deserted vineyard where we were hiding it and rode it. And every morning the horse, when it was my turn to ride alone, leaped over the grapevines and small trees and threw me and ran away. Nevertheless, I hoped in time to learn the ride the way my cousin Murad rode. One morning on the way to Fetwa Jian's deserted vineyard, we ran into the farmer John Brew, who was on his way to the town. Let me to do the talking, my cousin Murad said. I have a way with farmers. So, what he said, what happened now? Now, Murad was angry. He declared that जो horse है वो at latest 6 months के अंदर true owner के पास पहुंच जाना चाहिए. Then he threw the bird into the air. So जो bird थी वो 2 बार तो गिरी. It fell twice but he flew at the last. So for next 2 weeks, 2 weeks तक तो दोनों रोज़ सुबह जाते थे राइड के लिए in the horse. They both would take the horse out of the barn and ride it. तो जो barn में जहाँ पे उन्होंने छुपा के रखा था जिस जगह पर, वहाँ से वो लेकर आते थे और उसको राइड करते थे. But every morning the horse would throw Aram. Now Aram won't know how to ride the horse. तो every morning same procedure होता था. जो हॉर्स था वो अरम को नीचे फेंक देता था एंड ही ran away whenever he tried to ride it. Now he still hoped, Aram still hoped कि वो कभी ना कभी learn कर लेगा to ride it the way his cousin did. Once on the way to the deserted vineyard to ride the horse again. So deserted vineyard पे जब वो उसको रखने जा रहे थे हॉर्स को, एक दिन they met John Brew, who was on his way to the town, जो टाउन की तरफ जा रहा था. Murad insisted on talking to him as he had way with farmers. So he said, Murad insisted कि उसे बात करने दो क्योंकि उसे पता है how to talk with farmers. This is what he said. Let's read further. Good morning, John Brew, my cousin Murad said to the farmer. The farmer studied the horse eagerly. Good morning. son of my friends, he said, what is the name of your horse? My heart, my cousin Murad said in Armenian. A lovely name. John Brew said, for a lovely horse. I could swear it is the horse that was stolen from me many weeks ago. May I look into his mouth? Of course, Murad said. The farmer looked into the mouth of the horse. So what happened next? So Murad wished John Brew a good morning and Brew saw the horse carefully. Now Brew ने वो हॉर्स को बहुत ही केयरफुली देखा. Brew wished them back good morning and asked the name of the horse. and उन्होंने Brew का जो हॉर्स का नेम था वो पूछा. So Murad said that his name is my heart in Armenian language. Okay, so Brew complimented that it is a lovely name for a lovely horse. तो ये बहुत ही lovely name है एक lovely horse के लिए. Then he swore, मतलब उसने कसम खाई that it was his horse that was stolen weeks ago. He said कि वो पहचान गया अपने horse को and he said कि ये उसका horse है जो बहुत weeks पहले चोरी हुआ था उससे. ठीक है. Then he asked that if he could look into his mouth. He insisted कि क्या वो उसके मुंह के अंदर देख सकता है horse के. To that Murad said, of course he can see that. Now the farmer looked into the mouth of the horse. Let's see what he saw there. Let's read. Tooth for a tooth, he said. I would swear it is my horse if I didn't know your parents. The fame of your family for honesty is well known to me. Yet the horse is the twin of my horse. The suspicious man would believe his eyes instead of his heart. Good day, my young friends. So what happened? Now he swore that this is the horse which has been stolen weeks ago. He insisted to look into his mouth. After looking from tooth to tooth, मतलब हर दांत को देखते हुए उसने he said that it was his horse if he didn't know his parents. So he said कि अगर मैं तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को नहीं जानता तो मैं पक्का ये कहता कि ये मेरा ही हॉर्स है. But he said that this horse was a twin of his horse. He said कि ये शायद मेरे हॉर्स का जुड़वा है. Because he further said that his family is all for honesty, but the horse looks just like the one he lost. He said कि तुम्हारी जो फैमिली है, जो तुम्हारी फैमिली के मेंबर्स हैं, वो सिर्फ ऑनेस्टी की वजह से जाने जाते हैं. जो गैंग्लेलियन फैमिली है that is known for honesty. That is the reason I believe कि तुम लोग कभी भी चोरी नहीं करोगे. That is the reason John Brew said that this is the twin of my horse. And he said कि अगर मैं तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को नहीं जानता तो मैं यही कहता कि ये मेरा चुराया हुआ ही हॉर्स है. A man who is suspicious would easily believe his eyes and not his heart. He wished them and went away. So एक मैन जो सस्पिशियस है इस चीज़ के बारे में, अपने हॉर्स के बारे में, वो ईज़िली उसकी आइज़ को बिलीव कर लेता, बट अपने हार्ट को बिलीव नहीं कर पा रहा था कि एक गैंग्लेलियन फैमिली जो इतने ऑनेस्टी के लिए जानी जाती है फॉर 11 सेंचुरीज़, वो एक चोरी कर सकता है उनका कोई मेंबर. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न ही विश देम एंड ही वेंट अवे. लेट्स रीड व्हाट हैपेंड. गुड डे, जॉन ब्रेव, माय कज़न मुराद सेड. Early the following morning, he took the horse to John Brew's vineyards and put it in the barn. The dogs followed us around without making a sound. The dog, I whispered to my cousin Murad. I thought they would bark. They would at somebody else, he said. I have a way with dogs. My cousin Murad put his arms around the horse, pressed his nose into the horse's nose, patted it, and then went away. That afternoon, John Brew came to our house in his surrey and showed my mother the horse that had been stolen and returned. So, what happened next? Let's see. Now Murad also wished him back, and the next morning they took the horse back to John Brio's vineyard. So they were guilty. They were guilty क्योंकि उनकी family एक honesty के लिए जानी जाती है, and they have stolen somebody's horse. So that is the reason the next morning they took the horse and they gave back to John Brio's, and they put it back in John Brio's vineyard. ठीक है. The dogs followed them around without making any sound. So जो dogs थे, they were following Murad and Aram without making any sound. Murad replied that to Aram that they would not bark at them since they had a way with dogs. So he said कि उसको पता है कि वो डॉग्स के साथ कैसे हैंडल करते हैं, कैसे डील करते हैं. दैट इज़ द रीज़न दे वोंट बार्क. नाउ मुराद पुट हिज आर्म्स राउंड द हॉर्स, देन ही प्रेस्ड हिज नोज इनटू द हॉर्स नोज, ही पैटेड हिम एंड देन दे वेंट अवे. नाउ उसको प्यार करा हॉर्स को, नोज उसकी ही प्रेस्ड हिज नोज, ही पैटेड द हॉर्स एंड देन दे वेंट अवे. और वो छोड़ के चले गए उसको. The same afternoon, John came to Aram's house in his surreys and showed his mother the horse had returned. So, same दिन Aram के घर जॉन ब्रियो आते हैं और अरम की मदर को वही सेम हॉर्स दिखाते हैं जो उसके घर वापस लौट आया है. द हॉर्स इज रिटर्न्ड. ठीक है. Let's read further. Okay. I do not know what to think, he said. The horse is stronger than ever, better tempered too. I thank God. My uncle Khusro, who was in the parlor, became irritated and shouted, "Quiet, man, quiet. Your horse has been returned. Pay no attention to it." So what happened next? So what happened? That he said that he did not want to think, as the horse is much stronger now with a better temper. So he said कि जो horse है अब वो चोरी के बारे में और इन सब के बारे में वो नहीं सोचना चाहता, बिकॉज जो अब उसका जो हॉर्स जब वो रिटर्न करा, जब वो वापस आया तो वो मच स्ट्रॉन्गर बनकर आया और उसका टेम्पर जो उसका नेचर है वो काफ़ी बेटर हो गया. सो ही थैंक्ड गॉड. सो अंकल खुसरो वॉज इन अ पार्लर. पार्लर इज अ सिटिंग एरिया इन अ हाउस. सो अंकल खुसरो वहीं पर बैठे हुए थे. अगेन ही शाउटेड इरिटेटेड, "Quiet, man, quiet. Your horse has been returned. Pay no attention to it." So सेम उनकी हैबिट है. सो उन्होंने सेम चीज़ कही कि अब तुम्हारा हॉर्स रिटर्न हो गया है, डोंट वरी, पे अटेंशन मत पे करो इसके बारे में. ओके. So this is the end for the explanation of this story. I want you to go through the story once, go through the explanation, and if you have any doubt you can ask. I will be giving you the worksheets to do. So just read it once, learn the word meanings. Thank you.